Easy. That would be really easy.
So guys, this is our next destination. It's Garden of the God. So it's basically all the view is like it's a huge rocks, red rocks. Ayan. Ayan no guys, ayan. Ang lalaki ng rocks niya. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang taas ng ano, bato. Yan. Tapos dito sa hanggang doon sa dulo. And then doon din meron din siya.
Yeah, pretty red sandstone.
May tao doon.
How far do you want to go? You want to check out? It might be Pikes Beach. Tallest mountain in this town.
Pauwi na kami guys. Ayan lang guys yung view. Palibot. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng, ayun yung sobrang laki ng rocks. Laki talaga.
Look how top fell sideways.
Yeah.
Got stuck.
Laki ng view. So, malamig guys. Sobrang lamig. I'm freezing. Yeah, and we're here Garden of the God. Ano lang, yung mga view niya lang, ano, mga malalaking rocks katulad noon. Dun sa kabila din. Sa kabila din. But yeah. And we're heading to the car and grab something to eat because I'm very hungry and very hungry already. So,
Start from the water.
ganda ng view. Next time ulit, I want to go here. Come back here during summer. I would like to enjoy it. With nice outfit, not freezing, not